Okay guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl first. This is King Diva. Today I'm supposed to change my shirt too. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about my channel. I'm a Lagos-based YouTuber and I make videos concerning or around natural hair care, natural hair growth, lifestyle vlogs, and what have you. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you several hairstyles that you can make out of a twist, a single strand twist, a natural hair single strand twist. And this one I have on right now is about 2 weeks old, so it doesn't matter how old your twist outs are, you can actually rock them in several styles. So I'm going to show you guys those styles. And guess what we're using? We're just using a scrunchie band. You know what this is? A scrunchie band. So before I style my hair, one of the things I make sure I do is I try to massage. Massaging your hair increases blood flow. Increases blood flow and helps to stimulate hair growth. So you massage your hair. Oh god, it feels so good. The first style which I really love so much is the side band, the front side band, and I don't know, like a part of the hair in the center is packed up and then the back is dropped as well, so it looks something like this. And for many of you that are wondering why is her hair having so much movement, you guys, just check the link up on this part right now and you're going to see what I did. You're going to see a video showing you what I did. So what I normally do is I pack it right up, or like on top of my head, like so. Or you can use some of your hair and close up your band so that it will not be seen. You can do this on the side. Exactly. Something like that. And let's moving on to the second one. So for the second style, it's really easy. What you want to do is typically just go from ear to ear like this. And bring it all to the front. So you have to check to make sure that it's ear to ear. Okay, so you want to hold this part up like so, and you want to pack it like this. Try to make it as tight as possible, and then you I never knew I was going to like this hairstyle, but fortunately I do. I dig it so much. See my kinky hair is falling on my face, you guys. It feels so good to just see this. So we are going to go on to the third hairstyle, which is pretty easy to achieve. So from this one, you just want to circle it around as is. Looks like that. For some reason, I think I want more of my hairs to go up. So you can just take them and just swoop around and just from the back swoop around. So with this hairstyle, you're going to have to brush to make sure there aren't so many hairs that are jumping around, and of course your edges, it's your best friend. Actually, this is not one of my favorites. For some reason, I don't know why, it's not one of my favorites at all. over to hairstyle number 4. So hairstyle number 4 really would work for most people that have probably longer hair, but I don't know, I just hope it comes out really well. So you want to fold your hair forward and try to hold it together. Aim is to take the hair to the center of your head like you did before, and then you drop this guy here. I don't know if it will work anyway. Mine is, see how mine is flying? It's supposed to be falling by itself, but mine is flying. And then you drop the back, one here and one here. That looks so funny. And then you just pack this guy. So this is your hairstyle number 4. So, and for the most part, it's just going to fall back on your head. This hair is supposed to be facing down. I don't know why it's dropping off. I don't know if it will help anyway. But if I had some beads, this is the right time to just hang some. Okay, let's go over to hairstyle number 5. So for hairstyle number 5, it's just a modification of hairstyle number 4. You swoop it to the side like so, a little bit to the side and a little to the front, like so. Okay, and then you just let it fall. Okay guys, so for the next hairstyle we're going to do, I have an idea. What's the hairstyle? I've forgotten. Okay, I just remembered. So we are doing a deeper dive into our side parting like that, and then you're going to scoop a good chunk of the side like that. So you want to gauge, make sure the ones that a bit longer goes to the back. So all of the other hairs will go in a very low ponytail. Okay, so for the next hairstyle we're gonna do, it's also one of my favorites as well because it's very easy to do. We're going to pack all the hairs, but this time around you're going to take it off. So it looks this way. For the next hairstyle, okay, you guys will believe all these hairstyles are coming from my head, like I'm not even thinking through any of them. So for the next hairstyle, we're going to ring, roll, ring, roll, ring, roll. And then you're going to take hairs from this part of your hormones and pack it there to the side. It takes all the hairs away from your face and still makes your hair look like it's so full at the back. So make it spin. So there's another hairstyle I like to do, and that looks like this. I'm actually going to do a flat twist. Once I get to this part, I make it a bit loose so that it has more volume. Twisting a twist, like twisting a twist. That's what I'm doing right now. So this just goes onto the side here. It's a modification of the one that we just did from here. And I take this one that I've just twisted out with some other hairs, and then I put this together. Okay guys, so these are several hairstyles that you can rock with your twist. And so for some of them, no matter the length of your hair, these styles are going to look very fantastic on you. So guys, don't forget to check this channel next time for more videos, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care, have a good day. This looks really good. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.